Hey beautiful people, a warm welcome to you all. If you're new here, then consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post new videos. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious prawns chili fry. So let's hop into the kitchen and get started. Here I've got 300 grams of prawns, which I have washed a couple of times under running water. We need to clean them, and this is how you do. Make sure you take the head off, remove the shell and slightly press the tail to get the shell out. Now with the help of a knife, shallow cut the prawn at the back side and remove the vein. Now that I've cleaned the prawns, it's time to marinate them, and to marinate them we would need 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and some salt as per your taste. Mix everything together and keep it aside for around 20 minutes. Heat the pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add 6 garlic julienne and saute them for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 inch ginger julienne and saute it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 3 green chilies and fry all the 3 ingredients until the raw smell disappears. Now that the raw smell is gone, add 2 cups of chopped onion and fry them for about 5 minutes on a medium to low flame. Add 1 medium tomato julienne and fry it along with the onions. Now that the tomatoes and onions are nice and soft, I would add chopped coriander leaves, now add the marinated prawns and mix them well together. You don't want to burn them, so make sure it's on a low flame. When you cook it on a low flame, it will nicely absorb all the flavors and there are less chances of the dish getting burnt. Garnish with coriander and serve hot. That's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.